What's cracking, y'all? We back at it another day. And yesterday, once put up on the homie Kuda, and he welded the headers up. Now today, we gotta put the headers on. Gasket. I'm gonna throw that. So like I was saying, man, we back, and I got the back header. So back header gotta go on first. I gotta put the header gasket on. And yeah, so I think now we're gonna take this party down here. We're gonna try to put on the header gasket. Gonna try to put on the header gasket with the motor mount. Hopefully I can get everything down there with the motor fluid and at the 9. That's what I'm gonna try to attempt. So I'm gonna put y'all down and y'all can watch me from, I don't know, I'm gonna find an angle. So I'm gonna holler back. See? Gotta put that on. Holler back at y'all. Alright, so I got one up. I just gotta finish putting the bolts in and all that. Yeah, man, we on our way. Gotta finish putting the bolts in, and yeah, that's gonna be the first one. Then I'll remove the motor mount, and I'll put the front one. So let me do the back one, and I'll do the front one, and then we'll put the exhaust up. So let's get it, man. All right, so now I got the back header on. I was able to get that back end with the motor mount. Everything's bolted down, all the screws are tight, and yeah, man, got that back one on. Now I'm about to get ready to put the front one on. I'm gonna put the gasket on and start getting ready to put that on. But before I do that, I do gotta remove the motor for this one. So I'm gonna lift the motor up and take off the motor mount. And after I take off that motor mount, put on a new one, man. I mean, take off the motor mount, put on a new. So let's get it. We getting there, man. We getting there. Alright, so I got the cover on there, the gasket. Now, time for me to start putting up the other header. And yeah, man, so let's get it. Give me a couple bolts. And start setting it up. Alright, so I got the other header on. Oh, we in the game, we in the game. Now, I just gotta put the exhaust up. And we really in the game. So, everything's up. See all up under there, headers are in. Now, I just gotta put the exhaust up. The old gaskets. Just because, why not? They're still fine, they're still together. Oh well, I doubt they'll leak, and if they do, I'll change them. But for now, yeah, we're gonna get these all, get everything in and get it cracking down. Alright, so my phone had died, and it's crazy out here, man. But anyway, yeah, I got this back on. I got both of the headers back on. Everything's back up together. I got the exhaust back on. Everything bolted up on the exhaust, everything. So now all I'm gonna do is, I found a little extra goodie, which is this intake. We're gonna see if this fits. Oh, you know what? I can't even do nothing because of the way the intake is, so can't even put it on. Cause I have to get another boot that goes over that, and I ain't got that right now. Damn. That'd have been a tight edition, but it's not happening right now. Alright, y'all, the moment of truth. We got the car done. Everything's done. Now it's gonna be time to start it up. So let's see, what do y'all think? How y'all think it's gonna sound? And yeah, man. Let's see, I'm excited. Find some oil, put some oil in the car. And then, yeah, we'll go for a dip. Let y'all know how it runs and all that. And we'll go from there. So, let's get it, y'all. No restrictions. No restrictions. That's crazy, bro. Before, you would drive this car and literally, like, it was a struggle, like, to do anything, to get up a hill, to do anything. Like, it was literally a struggle. And like, now it's flying through the gears. Like, I feel like I'm dipping now. Like we are dipping now. Even to get up this hill, I'll be driving up this hill and it would be like hard to get up here. Now we're like already at the stop sign, so yeah, it's cool, man. Car's fixed, no more issues. I'm not smelling that catalytic converter smell yet, but who knows, maybe the car has to warm up and all that first, but that's all right. Now we good, man. We have no issues. Yeah, cool. Yeah, before I was real hesitant, all that, like, man. And I still gotta check engine light. I haven't deleted it yet. I take it out and drive it, but yeah, feels good now. So that's fixed. Now I don't have to worry about cutting off when I'm driving, man, because that sucked. Driving everywhere I go and then the car cutting off, and yeah, I wasn't cool, bro. So now we shouldn't have to worry about cutting off, and we can get where we gotta go, right? So I'm happy with the turnout. We rolling. So I'm gonna put some gas in it. Probably gonna take a little drive in it and see how it rolls. And yeah, man, for the most part it's good though. Like, no issues, no nothing. I'm dipping too. So I'm happy that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Oh yeah. E46 wagon, aka the swaggin. is now complete. I just gotta delete these codes. But yeah, peace. Crazy, I've never been on the freeway accelerating this quickly in the wagon. Never have I ever since I had this car been accelerating this quickly. I don't even think you've been going this fast in the wagon. So that's pretty